Hello, in this video I will show you how you can open safe mode on OPPO A5. So first of all you have to press two buttons at the same time, volume up button and power button, and you have to simply restart your phone by swiping up. From now you have to wait for reboot, but when the OPPO logo appears you have to hold volume uh, down button, but do it after like 5 seconds from now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and keep holding volume down button and hold it for very long time. As you can see, I am still holding. Do not release your finger from this button, and now it should vibrate again. And now, as you can see, I am in the safe mode. So you can do it like that. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.